Hey, it's Greg Schinkel, President, here with Kirk Langford, General Manager. We're excited about the launch of our new Frontline Leadership one-day workshops. And one of the deeper dive workshops that we have is called Communicate for Performance.
Yeah, so I'll tell you a little bit about that. So the three modules that we're going to dive deeper in through that workshop are communicating effectively, which is all about how to make sure as a leader that you're communicating with your team in a way that they can understand, which is a key skill as a leader. Next, we dive into winning the day, which is a neat module that's really all about are you communicating the priorities of your team so that everyone knows what winning looks like for you and your team, right? That alignment's there. Third one is all about leading change, because we're always introducing change initiatives. Changes are happening all the time on our team, sometimes whether we like it or not, and we want to make sure we're aligned and able to be agile when those changes come.
Right, so if that Communicate for Performance one-day workshop sounds interesting, or you want to check out the other one-day workshops, or you maybe even build your own, visit us online at uniquedevelopment.com.